This is my new 2008 model GV Aquila. I just got new custom pipes installed. Makes them about 4 times louder than the normal sound, the normal standard pipes. I'll crank up the engine so you can have a listen. Usually an Aquila sign right there with that transformer sticker is, but I swapped it over for fun. I'll just show you a switch that I got installed as well, just hiding under the seat, just here, and you click that, turns the neons on and off. Put that back on. So I've got those placed various spots around the bike to light it up. Looks really good at night time. It's illegal in New South Wales to have them on when you're riding, but I've got them anyway. That's what it looks like completely in the dark.